Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the push button system. So as you can see, we have it here on Warrior Forum. So this person actually reviewed push button system right here. So he came across this thing called push button system, one of those make money online instantly programs that's been floating around. So they promise you'll earn thousands with zero effort just by pushing a button. So he tested it, so hundreds of business models in the last 10 years online. So as you can see, here are the TLDR. So it claims you can earn up to 20k just by pushing a button. Starts at $67, but if you try to leave the page, it drops to $37. After paying, you're hit with a sales call asking for a $250 deposit into a trading account. The software you get is super basic, offers no real guidance or value, lots of red flags, fake testimonials, unclear refund policy, and pressure tactics, etc. So right here, is it a scam? So technically, they do give you something. So it's not a total ghosting, but it doesn't come close to delivering what they promise. So it is basically a scam. So please do not use a push button system. So it is too good to be true. How can you get $20k just by pushing a button, realistically? So as you can see, here are the his experience. So the whole pitch is some kind of affiliate marketing system where everything's done for you. No skills needed. Just push a button and boom, money into your account. Obviously, that raised an eyebrow. After digging deeper, it's pretty clear that site is all about hype. Tons of fake success stories. I pushed one button and made $23,000. Plus the usual luxury car and mansion B-roll to sell the dream. Once you sign up, the real goal becomes obvious. They want you to deposit $250 into the trading account via a broker that calls you. The push button part, it's just a basic trading platform with no real automation or instruction. You're on your own, expected to somehow make money trading with zero experience. And yeah, that's basically it. So please do not use push button system. It's basically obviously a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.